Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so as you guys seen in the previous clips, I will be reviewing a half wig today, and this half wig is not new to the YT at all, but I am just now getting into it because honestly, the reason why I don't do a lot of half wigs and a lot of ponytails is because of the simple fact that I don't like messing with my natural hair. Especially because I'm kind of like going through transitions and stuff with my natural hair right now, so yeah, so that's why I hadn't tried this one out, but yeah, I'm here to try it out today because as you guys seen, you know, you seen it going around, like the headband wigs are like super in now, so I was like, you know what, this is an opportunity for me to try some half wigs that I've been wanting to try, but just wanted to do kind of like a protective hairstyle, not really wanting to like disturb my natural hair. So anyways, that's why we're here today. So we have a shiny in the color number 1, and I don't know, like a lot of people was feeling this wig, and you know, honestly it looks cute on everybody, like every review that I've seen, like especially Gladys, aka is that your hair like hurt, like it just, I think everything just looks amazing to me on her, but I don't know, like I really liked it on her, and she's who inspired me to get it, and I don't know, like I don't like it on me. Like I feel like I don't look cute in this unit, like I really do, like honestly, like I like the whole time, because I did a another video and I was just looking at myself like I am not cute with this wig. Like I don't know, like I don't know if it's just me or what, but I just really don't feel cute with this wig. I don't feel like it's a style for me. I feel like I can't really like run my fingers through the curls or anything unless it's gonna get like big and like tangled mess, like, so that's why I didn't even like really touch it or anything. But the waves are beautiful. Like I like the look of the style, but I don't like the fact that I can't like touch it or do anything with it without it getting too wild. So, and then I also just don't think that I am flattering this wig, or this wig is not flattering on me. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So these headbands are from Amazon, and they are really cute. I do really like them. What I will say is though, you have to get them positioned right, or they will kind of like flop to the front, because when I was filming my other video I was having that problem a lot, and then I kind of had to adjust it. But I think overall that these headbands are really cute. These ones, I can't remember how much they were, but they were super affordable on Amazon, and especially for them to be like this beautiful. And then it comes with like this new color one as well. So yeah, I feel like these are really beautiful headbands, and for the price, like they were really inexpensive. I will have them linked down in the description box below if you guys do want to purchase them, but I like them. I feel like the only problem that I had with them, and I think it's the one that I'm wearing, but oh no, it's this one too. So in this area, this little part is like lifting up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is, I don't know why my camera won't focus, but hopefully you guys can see it. It just lifts up a little bit, but you could literally just do that and it lays right down. But that's the only problem that I had kind of like with the construction, because I was kind of like, I don't know, I guess they didn't make sure that it was down like secure, but that's the only complaint that I had. Other than that, they are very beautiful. I feel like they're super affordable, and you still get like a really cute look, but you do have to make sure that with these you are not wearing them probably with the regular headbands, because of the simple fact, or the headband wigs, excuse me, because the headband wig, the band on there is pretty thick, so you need a thicker type of headband. But for like half wigs and stuff, you can definitely rock it because it can definitely hide the band. As you guys can see, you can't see any tracks, or you cannot see like where the half wig begins and ends and all that. So I also think that these headbands are really cute, and like I said, I will link them in the description box below because they are super affordable and they're super cute. So you guys know I have to share the cute affordable stuff with you guys. But anyways, that's pretty much it, divas. As far as this unit, I feel like it was a fail on me. I just don't feel cute in this wig. And it's probably just me, like, because everybody that I've seen in this wig, like, they slay it, honey. Like, it looks so cute on them, but I don't know, for me, and, you know, I thought this was gonna work, because I'm like, okay, it's wavy, it's glamorous, you know, that's me, and it's just like, no. I just feel like the wig is not cute on me, so yeah. But anyways, if you guys are interested, I will still have a link down in the description box below, so definitely be sure to go ahead and check that out in case you are interested. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear how you fabulous girls think about this unit. And also, have you tried this unit and how do you like it? Like, let me know. And I think it was the lace wig version of this. I don't know if I reviewed the lace wig version. I can't even remember. I don't think so, but I don't know. Tell me how you feel about it. But yeah, and be sure to go ahead and make sure that you guys subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.